If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Payment Manager is available in all versions of Sage 50 Accounting. This manager helps you track and pay your payables from vendors. To open the Payment Manager in Sage 50 Accounting, select Analysis, Payment Manager from the menu bar. This tool provides you with both a numeric bracket and graphic analysis of your accounts payable. In the secondary toolbar at the top of the window, you can click the graph option next to the display choice to view the information as a graph. To the right of that, you can select the graph style. You can select either pie, bar, or column. To the right of that, you can use the Show dropdown to select to show all aging, a prior month comparison, or a prior year comparison. You can use the As of Date calendar selector to choose as of which date to display aging. If you prefer a numeric display of this data, you can select the numeric option at the left end of the secondary toolbar at the top of the Payment Manager window to display the information as numeric aging brackets. You can then use the Show and As of Date dropdowns to select the date range of data to show in the Payment Manager. In the primary toolbar at the top of the Payment Manager, you can click the Bracket button to view the information within the aging bracket shown. You can then use the Days Past Due dropdown that appears within the secondary toolbar to select which aging bracket to view. The aging brackets that you can select are 0 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, over 90 days, and total. When viewing the information within a selected bracket, you can view the associated vendor information for a row within the bracket by first clicking on the row that contains the desired payable, and then clicking the Vendor button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window. Doing that then displays the selected vendor's information with any payables they have due within the selected bracket. You can select a desired payable from this list, and then click the Detail button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window to open the selected payable in a new window. You can then close this window when you have finished examining it. You can also use this window to pay vendors within the selected aging brackets. To do this, first select the desired aging bracket within the Payment Manager. Then click the Pay checkbox at the far right end of any vendors to whom you wish to remit a payment. Note that the Amount to Pay field at the top of the window displays the total amount of all selected vendor payments within this bracket. Once you have selected the vendors, click the Check button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window. In the Print Forms Disbursement Checks dialog box that appears, you can click the Select Form button to open another dialog box where you can select the type of checks to print if needed. Then click the OK button to return to the Print Forms Disbursement Checks dialog box. You can then enter the first check number to print into the First Check Number text box. Then select the correct account against which these checks will be drawn from the Cash Account drop-down menu. Then click the Print button at the right side of the dialog box to immediately print the checks. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.